Hey, welcome back to the channel. My name is Keith and I'm sure glad you stopped by today. In today's video, we're going to be discussing an essential topic for all you grilling enthusiasts out there. How to safely connect a propane tank to your gas grill. Now, this may be your first time using a gas grill or you've used one before and you need a refresher. I got you. When dealing with gas appliances, safety is of the utmost importance. So let's dive right in. First things first, before you begin, ensure that your grill is in a well-ventilated area, preferably outdoors. Now, let's take a look at the propane tank itself. Here we have the propane tank valve. It's essential to inspect the valve and tank for any signs of damage or leakage before connecting it to the grill. You can spray some soapy water on the tank valve to check for leaks. If there is a leak, the soapy water solution will begin to bubble. If you detect any issues, do not proceed and consult a professional. Next, let's move on to the hose and the regulator. Ensure that both the hose and the regulator are in good condition, free from any cracks or tears. These components are responsible for delivering the propane to the grill and regulating the gas flow. To connect the propane tank, locate the connection point on your gas grill. It is usually found on the side or at the back. Make sure the grill's knobs are turned off before proceeding. Now, take the threaded end of the hose and carefully attach it to the propane tank valve. Hand tighten it securely, but avoid over tightening. Once the hose is connected, slowly open the propane tank valve by turning it counterclockwise. This allows the propane to flow through the hose and into the grill. Now, it's time for a crucial step. We need to check for leaks. Apply the soapy water to the connection points, both the propane tank valve and the grill's connection point. If you see any bubbles forming, it indicates a leak. Remember, if you detect a leak, turn off the tank valve immediately. Disconnect the hose and consult a professional for further assistance. Safety should never be compromised. Assuming there are no leaks, you can now turn on the grill by following the manufacturer's instructions. Adjust the burners accordingly and give the grill a few minutes to heat up before you start cooking. And there you have it, how to safely connect a propane tank to your gas grill. Always prioritize safety, perform regular inspections, and remember to turn off the tank valve after each use. Thanks for watching and happy grilling. Thank you so much for watching today's video. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, hit that subscribe button and click that bell so anytime we drop a new video, you'll be the first to know. Hit that like button and leave me some comments. I'd love to hear from you. If you're interested in any of the products we used in today's video, we'll leave some links down below. Hope you have an awesome day. And thanks for watching.